Well, here we are. It's March 15th with Squamish Falls. This is the peregrine falcon's egg sitting there, the mahogany egg. I'm just doing a test of the maximum zoom I can get on my camera. He's sitting up in the dead tree over on the point. If you look carefully, you can see the two mahogany eggs right next to this yellow spot. That's her egg. She hasn't started incubating yet. Lucky for us, they moved up here closer this year. The nest last year was further away. And again, this is Squamish Falls, and this is the peregrine falcon's nest, and that's her two eggs. So she'll start incubating. She'll try to get maybe 4 eggs down before she incubates. But the sun has finally come out, and set up my tripod, tried to see how close it's going to get. And you can see the two mahogany eggs are just below the white spot, and there's a little yellow spot to the left of the egg, and the white streak running down. Now, they were here earlier flying around, and she went up and sitting up in the dead tree now. So I got a still shot of her there. So we're very excited that the eyrie is active again, and more excited because it's closer to us this year than it was last year. So we'll call that good.